Hey everybody, this is Tammy Thomas, and I am just stopping by to tell you some great news that I got in the mail today. And a little backstory. 2025, I am the first female host to grace Street Noise Magazine, the January 2025 edition, and I'm so excited to show y'all the magazine that I got by Street Noise. Tammy Thomas the Wordsmith, as they call me. Isn't that beautiful? I just want to say thank you. Y'all did a great job. Shout out to Black North, Demetra Stone, City World Media. Thank y'all so much. Y'all need to check their website out, www.cityworldmedia.com. They are amazing. They got great apparel, wonderful people that y'all need to read up on. Get your magazine through Street Noise. I'm telling y'all, they are amazing. Check them out. From my city to your world. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share, follow. From my city to your world. We are City World.